So this is a short tutorial on how to make a wig using hand needle. First of all, you need a dummy head, a closure, your hair bundle, your wig cap and your pins. So we'll start by placing the wig cap on the dummy head and use the pins to secure it so that it won't shift when we are making the wig. You can use any wig cap of your choice, it depends on what you want. So for me, I'll be using this particular wig cap in this video. So after securing the wig cap on the dummy head, you start sewing. You place the hair bundle on a straight line as you're seeing in the video. Then you start sewing. So after sewing this particular line, you can use a measuring tape to mark out 1 inch apart from each other. So when you're done with this one, you place your hair bundle 1 inch on top of the one down. Then you start sewing the next line. So you can use any needle of your choice. You can use the curved needle, you can use the normal straight needle. Depends on what you want. You can see I'm done sewing and you can see how neat the line is. This is the last bundle I attached close to the closure. And this is the final look after I was done straightening the wig and everything. So thank you for watching.